What I want to discuss this evening is how you can select sex of a baby. Maybe you have 2 boys, 3 boys, you want a baby girl, or you have 4 girls, 3 girls, and you want the next baby to be boy. I have some tests that we take as is a part of treatment in IVF. There are 5 ways that the sex of a baby could be selected. And I'm going to talk briefly with those people who have sickle cell traits in their body and they're trying to get married, how they can escape SS baby. Number 1, there's a test in IVF, in assisted reproductive technology, called pre-implantation genetic testing. These tests, there are 2. One is pre-implantation genetic testing aneuploid. That means they call it PGDTA. This one is a test that before they transfer the embryo, it's a test that they will do to sequence the chromosome, whether there's abnormality in any of the chromosomes of the embryo before they transfer them. This does not have a specific genetic disorder, but on the course of checking for any abnormalities in this chromosome of embryo, the sex of that embryo could be determined. The second one is pre-implantation genetic testing monogenetic disorder. This is a test whereby you want to check for a particular disorder in the embryo before they transfer it. For example, sickle cell disease. Or you have a particular problem in the family you go marry, whether a man marrying another family. Let me give you an example. You marry your wife from a family that you find out that one of their siblings is albino, and you want to know whether this gene for albino that is not dominant in your wife, that make your wife to look like a normal person, will not be transferred or passed down to your own baby. You can go for PGDTM. That is the one we call pre-implantation genetic testing monogenetic disorder. So they will check those embryo and check whether any one of them do not have a gene that could be dominant, that have been transferred from that family for
to be
albino.
Continued in part 2.
So if they now check the embryo, if they find any one of them that can have this albino gene, they can now remove them. My name is Wojade Kehinde Samuel. I'm the fertility scientist at Tabin Fertility and Andrology. Till I come your way next time. God is good. Bye.